morning, children. This is Shivalsa speaking. Children, as we are dealing with exercise 4.1, in which we have done few questions. Today, I'll be explaining the fourth number question of exercise 4.1 of question number 6. Children, in this particular question, it's told that an isosceles triangle in which base angles, these are the base angles. We know that base angles are always equal of an isosceles triangle. In every isosceles triangles, base angles are always equal. So if it is measuring x, this angle is also measuring x. And it's told in the question that vertex angle, means this particular angle is twice the base angle. This is the vertex angle, which is twice the base angle. So if this angle is x, this angle must be 2x. Children, I am repeating my word once again. This is an isosceles triangle in which these are the base angles, which are x and x. And vertex angle is twice the base angle. It's twice. So if it is x, this angle is measuring 2x. I have to find the sum of all the angles, the measure of all the angles. Children, we know that sum of all the angles of an isosceles triangle is, of any triangle, sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So according to the question, we can write 2x plus x plus x. 2x means this angle is x and this angle is x. 2x plus x is equal to 180 degree. 2x plus x plus x, 2x plus x is 3x, 3x plus 1x is 4x, equal to 180 degree. Now x is equal to 180 degree by 4, and we are going to cancel this. 180 by 4, 4 4s are 16, 2, 4 5s are 20. So here I can get the measure of x is equal to 45 degree. Here is the measure of one angle is 45 degree. So children, x is equal to 45. So these base angles are 45 degree and 45 degree. And this particular angle, which is 2x, that is 45 into 2, that is 90 degree. 2x is measuring 45 into 2, that is 90 degree. This is a measure of all the angles of an isosceles triangle. So children, this is what we have to do with some statements, so which is really very easy to understand. So I'll prefer to go for exercise 4.2 now, in which the questions are given in this way. Give the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve. Give the first step you will use to separate the variable and then solve. Very simple, children. The first question is of exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2. The first question is x minus 1 equal to 0. So children, I am writing x over here. This is minus 1, which will be transposed to right hand side. It will become plus 1. So the value of x I am getting 1. That is only my answer. Question number B is x plus 1 equal to 0. I am getting x plus 1 equal to 0. So I'll give one implied sign. X is equal to, here is plus 1. It will be transposed to right hand side. As I've already explained that whenever a number gets transposed from one side to other side, symbol changes. So here it was plus 1. It will be transposed to right hand side. It will become minus 1. So the value of x is minus 1. Question number C is x minus 1 equal to 5. So answer will be x equal to 5 plus 1 because the number which is already in right hand side that I have to write first. Children, it's very important part to understand. Whatever is existing in right hand side that you have to write first. So I wrote 5 first because 5 was already in right hand side. So this number will get preference first. This is -1. It will be transposed to right hand side. It will become +1. Now x is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. X is equal to 6. Another question that I can explain, that is question number G. That is y plus 4 is equal to 4, in which I'll write y is equal to, I'll write this 4 first. This is +4 will be transposed to right hand side, will become -4. Y is equal to 0. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Now, children, the next question number 2. Give the first step you will use to separate the variable and then solve. Similar question. 3L is equal to 42. So I can write L is equal to 42, and this, the relation between 3 and L was multiplication. So the moment I'm transposing this 3 to that side, it will be divided by 3. So it will be 42 by 3. 3 14s are 42. L is equal to 40. I got the value of L is equal to 40. Now, next question that I can show you, that is question number B. It's told that B by 2 is equal to 6. Alright, B is equal to, here 2 is divided, so the moment 2 will be transposed to right hand side, it will be multiplied. It will be 2 into 6 equal to 12. The value of B is equal to 12. From question number 3, we can do in this way. So children, I'll be expecting from you all to solve question number 2. Let us talk about question number 3. 3 is give the steps you will use to separate the variable, then solve. Similar. 3n minus 2 equal to 46. From here, I'll write 3n first, equal to 46. This is +2 will be transposed to right hand side. It will become +2. As it was -2, it will be transposed to right hand side. It will become +2. Now, 3n is equal to 46 plus 2 is 48. N is equal to 48 by 3. 48 and 3 will be cancelled. 16. N is equal to 16. The value of N is equal to 16. Now, next question, children. Question number B. (5m plus 7) is equal to 17. From here, 5m is equal to 17 minus 7. 5m is equal to 17 minus 7 is 10. M is equal to 10 by 5. 5 2s are 10. The value of M I got 2. So children, today we are doing till this much, and the next class I'll explain about question number 4. Meanwhile, it is expected from you all to solve all the questions of question number till question number 3. 1, all, question number 2, all, question number 3. All the questions should be solved. Till then, thank you children. Thank you so much.